Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Łukasz Łukowski, and today we will go on very exciting topic. So as maybe some of you already know STORDIS and our focus on the open networking, today we will have some another game changer, more on the wireless space. So it took some longer while to disaggregate the wireless part, but it is happening as we speak. So today we will go over a very exciting topic, like a tip OpenWiFi, and also we will see a little bit more from the Edgecore side. So maybe to do not take too much of the time at the beginning. Today with me is my colleague from Edgecore Network, Aaron Su. Aaron, please feel free to also introduce yourself.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Aaron. I'm from Accton Group. Yes, ValueLine Group, the ValueLine BU, and I'm managing and also developing Wi-Fi business for Edgecore brand. Yeah, in Europe. Yeah, so nice to meet you guys. Yeah, and nice to have this chance to for me to talk with everyone. Yeah.
Perfect, and thank you. And I have a pleasure to even working with Aaron over a couple of years and meet Aaron a few times. Face to face, both in Europe and in Taiwan. So really pleasure to have you here today. So going over our agenda, we will start from the introduction of the TIP, Telecom Infra Project OpenWiFi Solution. Aaron will bring us a little bit deeper into what was happening, what is happening as we speak. And then definitely we are going over the Edgecore wireless solution, starting from maybe that more traditional one, as just some, let's say, a first step, but then the primary focus is, of course, on the open Wi-Fi part. So the APs, and not only everything what is certified under the open Wi-Fi group and the Telecom Infra Project. There is also an interesting news related with the cloud. Aaron, again, will let us know much more in details what is happening from that more, let's say, management side. And please feel free to ask any question. Like always, in the end, we will try to go over the Q&A. You can put the questions to the chat. You can put it under the private mode as you wish. And maybe before we will also go to some of you who are first time with us, on the right side, there are the handles. You can go there, you can take a look there. You will find there some nice products certified under the tip, some materials, data sheets. Please feel free. So thank you from my side for the while. And Aaron, please take the honor.
Okay, let me take over the voice, the speech. Okay, so thank you everyone. Yeah, so let's go directly to this topic today. Yeah, so okay, let's see. Yeah, the first page. This is the tip. Yeah, I think first question is that not all of you have already heard of tip. Yeah, so tip maybe for you is not that familiar. So what's tip first? Yeah, first question. So for people who haven't heard of this community, let's take a little bit time to brief it. Okay, so TIP means Telecom Infra Project. It was founded in 2016. Today it has over 1,000 members, and some founding members are well-known companies. I think you must know, like Vodafone, Facebook. Facebook now is called Meta. And Telefonica, Dutch Telecom, British Telecom, etc. Yeah, they are all well-known companies, operators, etc. And the idea is to collaboratively create an ecosystem and all kinds of a project group. OpenWiFi OpenWiFi makes one of them. There are several project groups. Yeah, so OpenWiFi is the name. Yeah, we call it TIP OpenWiFi. It makes one of this. And others like optics and also a point-to-point, multi-point. Yeah, we call it a telegraph. So we'll have another topic to discuss. Yeah, these solutions. Okay, and second question is what TIP OpenWiFi is doing? Yeah, Yeah, so we have TIP, yeah, this community, and then we have TIP OpenWiFi. So we need to know what they are doing. So currently, there are almost 1,000 participants in this project group, and we keep this group keep recruiting more and more members to join this project group. They come from all kinds of places. They can be system integrators, yeah, service providers, and vendors like us, yeah, Edgecore, yeah. So they join this wireless group for free, contribute and benefit from resources focusing on real-world connectivity solutions. So you guys may check TIP's website to get full information about this community. So I don't spend too much time here. So, but it is really worth a check on their website. There are a lot of information about this, about what they are doing. Okay, so next. So before that, before we go into our topic, yeah, OpenWiFi, but we need to, yeah, I will take advantage of this chance to give you a very, very quick introduction of Edgecore, what we are doing, Edgecore Wi-Fi, what we are doing. So the first thing is that I want to introduce the evolution of Edgecore Wi-Fi. So Edgecore Wi-Fi went to market with a standard controller-based solution. Yeah, so that's the very first solution that we went to market. Yeah, so including indoor-outdoor AP, I think that's quite common. Yeah, and the gateway-based AP controller. So instead of the switch-based, it's gateway-based. Yeah, what's different? Solutions. This type of solution can target vertical market like hospitality, enterprises, operators, and educations. The verticals like this, they really care about the user management. Yeah, so we provide this such sophisticated user and the traffic management. Yeah, for mission critical projects. Yeah, a lot of operators or chain hotels. Yeah, they sometimes their requirements or their use case is quite complicated and very mission critical and a lot of integrations. So in this case, yeah, we propose our gateway-based controller. Yeah, and we have a lot of, it's already market proven, and we have a lot of success cases around the world. So appliance-based management platform is still adopted and required by several markets. Yeah, so it is still a portion of the market. So that's the first step. And then, yeah, and then we move to, yeah, okay, we can see this next step. We move to the next, yeah, we have some evolution, yeah, and now we call it ecCLOUD based. It's a cloud-based controller. So Edgecore has ecCLOUD to cater to market needs. Yeah, not all the end customer they need appliance-based controller. Yeah, sometimes, and in most of the cases nowadays we see there are more and more people they are looking for cloud-based AP management. So when the project is looking just for a simple AP management and also some simple Wi-Fi access control, yeah, why not to choose a cloud solution? Of course, there are already a lot of vendors they are providing similar solution, but we want to be different from other vendors. So the cloud-based controller, this is standard, still our standard. So it's a cloud-based controller that can manage all Edgecore network devices, including all AP, indoor-outdoor APs, PoE switches. We also have 60 gigahertz, yeah, so 1180, the protocol with 1180 and 11AY devices. And the concept of ecCLOUD is to provide our customers with a centralized device management platform. So on this platform, customers centrally manage all Edgecore wired and wireless, yeah, both wired and wireless devices. Yeah, so users don't need to access multiple management interfaces for different kind of device. Yeah, so on top of that, yeah, ecCLOUD also supports multi-tenant management. Yeah, firmware management, device provisioning, hotspot features, and like logs, reports, monitoring features like this. So this is a ready cloud platform, to manage, the wide and wireless devices. And next, so let's see our topic. Here the page shows the topic today. So since we have the above two, the controller-based, the appliance-based controller, and also the cloud-based controller are our standard solution. We call an Edgecore standard Wi-Fi solution. And now we have apart from the standard one, now we have Edgecore OpenWiFi solution. So Edgecore Wi-Fi team, we have actively engaged in TIP this community, since 2019. And besides the other project groups, we are quite focusing on TIP OpenWiFi, with the belief, and the commitment, and that's we know that the disaggregation concept or open solutions is definitely an ongoing trend in ICT industry. So let's see. So let's see the left sketch first. It's for the high-level architecture of the TIP OpenWiFi. So let's give you a very general concept of what's TIP OpenWiFi. So we can see there are 4 layers. So the bottom layer is the device hardware. Many hardware vendors produce and provide different hardware SKU. So those SKU can be supported by TIP software. So the upper layer, next is the upper layer of the hardware layer. So the second layer you can see from the bottom. We call it NOS layer. NOS, the NOS layer. It's a software layer of the TIP OpenWiFi. It includes operating system, drivers, control plane, data plane, and also many software features. Next is next upper layer. You can see the third one. Or the second from the top. We call it CloudSDK. This CloudSDK actually is composed of the northbound API and also the southbound API, and in the core there is a uCentral, the uCentral gateway. So we call it CloudSDK, and it provides the control and the management over devices. So in the top layer you can see that the third-party applications can control and manage the TIP OpenWiFi devices. They can use the northbound API, as I just said, provided by Cloud SDK. So at the beginning, Edgecore provided a solution for the bottom 2 layers, just like other TIP hardware vendors. So at the beginning, we just provided solutions for the bottom 2 layers, and hardware layer and also AP NOS layer. We provided software and also development environment, the hardware platform for customers, to either build their own applications or provide services. And now, what we are doing is, by integrating TIP Cloud SDK, with ecCLOUD, we can see the right sketch now. We can also provide a solution on the cloud management side. To put it simple, after the integration, all APs once installed with TIP OpenWiFi software, can now be managed by ecCLOUD controller, and also benefit from the existing features on ecCLOUD. So that's a little bit the evolution. So what we are doing is to put this Cloud SDK agent in our ecCLOUD. So once ready, we can use ecCLOUD to manage all TIP-based AP, not only Edgecores. So that's a big launch. It's a big difference, a big steps. From before. Let's see next slide. So there are some. Let's go deeper. To see a cloud controller SDK. So TIP provides open northbound API, so over-the-top Wi-Fi applications can be integrated once and then be used with multiple vendors. Yeah, integrations cost and the time are can be perfectly saved, and the time to market is definitely reduced. Yeah, so Edgecore TIP Wi-Fi, TIP OpenWiFi provides a cloud controller SDK, to build a native cloud Wi-Fi controller for service providers and corporates. Yeah. And then there's another feature. Yeah, there's another function. We call it Open Mesh. It's a software feature on the OpenWiFi. Yeah, so it has been supported since the software release maybe early last year. Based on OpenWRT oriented projects, it provided a large scale of mesh. Yeah, so it uses IEEE A02.11s. Yeah, this protocol, this is a standard, and it's an open source standard for AP. Yeah, to wirelessly connected to other AP device. Yeah, so without any extra or lengthy setup. Yeah, so it's a solution to scale up, wireless network in a very quicker way. Yeah, so this is another function provided by default TIP version. Then next, we'll see, another feature or another advantage, from the TIP is that we call it WBA OpenRoaming. So this is a function required from many end customers. So WBA, here WBA means Wireless Broadband Alliance. Yeah, OpenRoaming is based on a set of industrial standards, including Wi-Fi certified pass points and the hotspot 2.0. Yeah, so you might have already heard of this. That's from Wi-Fi Alliance. And the wireless roaming in intermediary exchange, we call it WRIX, from the Wireless Broadband Alliance. And it's a roaming federation service which enables an automatic and secure Wi-Fi experience globally. Yeah, so with WBA OpenRoaming, we are creating a open connectivity framework for all organizations in the wireless ecosystem. So we can power new opportunities in the 5G era. Yeah. So above are examples of some features on the TIP OpenWiFi. TIP OpenWiFi keeps releasing new version periodically, and each version include enhancements and the new features. And you are welcome to check TIP OpenWiFi's website and portal. You can get the updated information. Okay, so let's see next slide. Okay, so we are talking about the CloudSDK 2.0. So from this version, Edgecore evolved again. Evolved again. So with integration of TIP OpenWiFi, ecCLOUD can manage all TIP OpenWiFi devices, including AP switches. And that means the third party hardware, and of course, Edgecore. At the same time, ecCLOUD can manage the Edgecore branded. That's the existing Edgecore branded, and also the new one, and which includes we have the ecW AP. That's the AP series called the ecW, and also all ecW and OAP. We have EAP like this. And also switches, we have ECS switches. And also we have another series that's work on 60 gigahertz. That goes on 60 gigahertz. It's called Metrolink. So that's for the more point to point or even point to multi-point. So all of these devices can be managed by the ecCLOUD. Of course. From the graph, we can see that the TIP Cloud SDK is integrated yeah, as a module. You can call it a module or an agent, yeah, in ecCLOUD. So so ecCLOUD can manage TIP devices through CloudSDK, and in the meanwhile, use the original management protocol to manage Edgecore product. Yeah, customers can select the different combinations based on their requirements. So, for example, you have 100 Edgecore devices, and you have another 100 maybe third-party or even Edgecore TIP devices. Yeah, 100 Edgecore standard and 100 TIP devices, TIP-based SKU, and then you can have your one account on ecCLOUD. You can manage 200, yeah, all of these 200 devices. That's possible. Okay. Next, yeah. So this page, we can. It's quite important. So I would like to spend a little bit more time, yeah, on this page. So TIP, yeah, we can just consider TIP is just like a family, yeah, with open arms, yeah, open arms to all players, yeah. They can be vendors, software companies, and all kinds of end customers. Yeah. So among all vendors, why you choose Edgecore? Yeah, why you choose Edgecore? That's a big question. So here are some advantage that TIP OpenWiFi partners and end customers, yeah, may benefit from. So here, yeah, for hardware, that's the very first. Yeah, we are providing multiple different types of devices. Yeah, including indoor, outdoor access points and switches. And there are also many Wi-Fi certificates for different regulations. Yeah, so you can see that including CE, FCC, like this. Yeah, so we have all the devices, yeah, certified by the different regulations. And in terms of pre-sales and post-sales, yeah, we offer the hardware and the software technical supports all over the world because we are a brand. Yeah, from the POC to after operation. Yeah, in operation, you guys won't be working alone. As a top tier manufacturer, as I just said, yeah, I'm from Accton, the ValueLine view. Accton is the top tier manufacturer, and Edgecore, yeah, we own this brand, yeah. So we consider the Edgecore is also a subsidiary, yeah, 100% owned by Accton, and we can provide high productivity and the high quality control. So the complete with complete logistic and RMA services, yeah, just like the manufacturer, the factory, yeah, the top tier manufacturer are doing. So okay, so on top of that, the tip image is pre-installed in the device, yeah, before delivery to customers or to distributors. Yeah, it's quite convenient for customers to directly use TIP OpenWiFi, yeah, all these default functionalities, and to provide their services, yeah, immediately. Yeah, there's no need to do any manual rework at customer end. Yeah, if you are a system integrator, or yeah, you don't need to do anything. Just yeah, you just deliver the devices, and then there's no any manual rework at customer's end. Okay, and regarding cloud management, we are very confident to say that this is the most advantageous, yeah, the most advantageous one. TIP members, yeah, especially software partners, yeah, system integrators or service providers, yeah, system integrator and yes, ISP, yeah, WISP, yeah, we have challenged, yeah, there's difficulties and challenges to install their customized software in TIP devices, or to provision TIP devices to their cloud. Yeah, so for this type of customers, maybe it's not that easy to meet manufacturer's MOQ. Yeah, you know that if you ever work with the manufacturer, yeah, they are doing OEM, ODM with different vendors. So there's definitely an MOQ. So for normally a manufacturer, they would never build a SKU or to customize software or to change default value for just only purchase of 1K or 2K units. And it's also not easy or cheap enough, for customers to manually rework the standard version of TIP OpenWiFi. So in this way, the onboarding service is to provide a service automatically upgrading the selected devices or provisioning the devices to another cloud, another third-party cloud. Yeah, we will provide more detailed introduction later on. Okay, besides with ecCLOUD integration, we can manage all TIP OpenWiFi devices, and we also provide a public API for third-party applications to manage OpenWiFi devices on ecCLOUD. Yeah, so let's see some. Let's go deeper. Okay, so device onboarding service. Maybe you just have heard the keyword, onboarding service, in the last slide, in the previous slide. All Edgecore TIP SKU will try to connect ecCLOUD, when it can access internet at the first time. Then it starts the registration process and sends the MAC address to the ecCLOUD. So if the cloud controller finds this MAC address, and is needed to do the onboarding service, so it would then either upgrade the devices to the desired firmware version or change the cloud URL to another cloud, or both. And customers can reach us with their software or cloud URL, and we will input customer's device in the registration database. So when customer's device connected to ecCLOUD, we can do proper operations for those devices. This service helps customers to upgrade multiple devices to their own software or provisioning customers' devices to their own cloud. Okay, next. So I guess you need some examples, to better understand the applications, from the ecCLOUD and the TIP OpenWiFi integration. So here, the first example shows that we assume there is already an existing NMS in an ISP data center. When this ISP wants to include OpenWiFi AP, any vendors, Edgecore or others, OpenWiFi AP to their service, he doesn't need to invest resource for adding NMS support into the OpenWiFi AP. So all they need is to use the ecCLOUD public, the ecCLOUD we just mentioned, the ecCLOUD public API, to control and to manage the OpenWiFi AP through ecCLOUD. Okay, and then we have another example here, for software companies. We can see that the software company implements features based on TIP OpenWiFi and is able to be managed by ecCLOUD. So in the meantime, there is an add-on function, in ecCLOUD that end customers can opt to enable or to disable this feature. We call it add-on. If the end customer, if this end customer turns this feature on, yeah, the software applications will be triggered and operate. Some software applications needs your own controller for additional data dashboard, and some software applications need an additional server to handle the data sent from the devices. So they can either install an agent in customized software and send that information to their external server, or use the public API I just mentioned, the public API, to collect information from ecCLOUD. Okay, so through this model, software partners can focus on their own features, and no need to worry too much about the AP hardware, AP software, or cloud management. These are already provided as a complete solution by Edgecore. Okay, here, so we give you some example here, like we just mentioned earlier. So ecCLOUD provides a full set of northbound API for third-party applications, to use it, to control its managed AP, the AP under management. Here we list some TIP OpenWiFi partners. We are cooperating with. Here you can see Apricom. Apricom's service can be enabled on ecCLOUD, as a add-on solution. Others you can see we have Next Experience, Satura, or Telec, Ambient. They are much more than that. More and more coming in. So they have their own cloud managing TIP Open AP. So there are different partners. Different types of partners can work with ecCLOUD in a different way. Okay, so let's the above. Okay, above are some brief introduction of Edgecore, to Edgecore TIP OpenWiFi solution. And now I'd like to give you some. Let's go together to see the devices supported by TIP. Supported by TIP already. So this first page, we see the hardware that's supported by TIP OpenWiFi. This is Wi-Fi 6 AP. So you can see that EAP 101, EAP 102, EAP 104. EAP 101, is 2x2, 2x2 dual radio, and with high power. So with the TIP SKU is we can say, because it can be certified by TIP or used or be selected by TIP, because its hardware performance, or its hardware is better, is stronger than others. So for example, we take EAP 101, for example, that it supports 1 giga memory, it supports high power, it supports Bluetooth, BLE, and also the Zigbee, and that's why it can be selected by TIP. So that's one reason that it can be selected by TIP. And we have also another, this is EAP 104. EAP 104 is coming soon, very soon. So it's a wall plate. It's a wall plate. So it's also Wi-Fi 6 11AX. 2x2 wall plate with four LAN ports. And then in the back there is also one RJ45 port, and also the uplink port. And another port is support PoE out. So it's perfect for hospitality, for MDU. So this is another our killer products coming in. Next, so here is the Wi-Fi 5 indoor AP. It's similar to the combination of Wi-Fi 6 AP here. So we have ECW5211-L. yeah, which is 2x2, and another one is ECW 5410-L. Yeah, it's 4x4 dual radio. Yeah, so with the same hardware configuration, with the same spec, yeah, yeah, of course, Wi-Fi 6 is still more cost effective than Wi-Fi 6. Yeah, so we have any customers can have more choices. Yeah, so from Wi-Fi 6, from Wi-Fi 5, yeah, to Wi-Fi 6. Yeah, so they have at least now have five model to choose. And here, yeah, is the Wi-Fi 5 outdoor solution. Yeah, so we have a SparkWave 2 AC1200. That is 2x2 dual radio AP, and also the Sunspot, yeah, OAP 100. So SparkWave, SP Wave 2, SPW2 AC1200, and also SS. These two models, they support IP55. So it's anti water. Yeah, so you can say that it's waterproof. Yeah, this IP55. If you need a more robust waterproof enclosure, so you can choose OAP 100. OAP 100, they are also much more functions than SparkWave 2's. Here SPW2 AC1200 and SSW2 AC 2600. Yeah, so yeah, that give you that in Europe, yeah, maybe when the weather is more moderate, so you can choose IP55 housing. Yeah, or if you need some like G sensor, if you need the GPS functionality built in the outdoor AP, yeah, it's easier for deployment to do the alignment. So in this case, you can choose OAP 100. These three outdoor AP also have a tip skew. Okay, and the next is to show you a little bit roadmap, yeah, of the AP planned, yeah, for planned to release this year. So we have the three AP, yeah, under development. Yeah, the first one is called EAP 103. Yeah, this is, and also the outdoor OAP 101 and OAP 101.6E. Yeah. OAP 101.6E, you can see that there is a 6E in the end, dash 6E, will be the first Edgecore AP supporting 6 gigahertz. Yeah, 6 gigahertz. Yeah, this band. Yeah, so this is a new band. So of course that depends on the regulation in different region. Yeah, in Europe, I think in Europe and also the North America, yeah, the 60 gigahertz band should be available. Yeah, should be available. And because there is less interference. Yeah, so this will become the next band available. Yeah, so of course we will release a version. Yeah, a version of with the 60 gigahertz. Yeah, that is the same. You can see the outlook. Yeah, the hardware configuration spec are totally the same. See OAP 101. Yeah, it's OAP 101 and OAP 101.6E. So we'll do new product announcement and before release. So yeah, so please stay tuned with us. Yeah, so we can, yeah, next time we can do another webinar. Yeah, to introduce the new product. Okay, so I'd like to spend a little bit more time. Yeah, a little bit more time here. Yeah, yeah, it's like what we are doing to make the ecosystem stronger. So we are going to launch an Open Wi-Fi facilitating program. We call it Open Wi-Fi facilitating program. This program, yeah, there are 3 target customers. So the first one is the hardware vendor who don't have cloud controller yet. Yeah, they don't have, if they don't have the cloud controller, okay, so they can join us. And then we have the second target customer is a software vendor who developed their features based on TIP OpenWiFi and want a cloud controller. Yeah. And the third customer is software vendors. They only have a cloud controller and want to manage OpenWiFi AP through ecCLOUD API. So we have these three types of target customers. Yeah. And we welcome all partners to join this program to test, for example, our partners, our software partners solution with ecCLOUD. Yeah, so if you are interested, just please contact STORDIS and also Edgecore, me. Yeah, I'm managing Europe. Yeah, so that's the solution. Yeah, the very brief introduction of our Edgecore TIP OpenWiFi about Edgecore standard solution and OpenWiFi. So if you have questions, just let me know so we can. We now let's go Q&A session.
Yeah. Thank you, Aaron, for that introduction. I was also doing my own notes, but also received some questions where I put here. So first is about the ecCLOUD. You mentioned it, something about 100 your own, let's say, regular Edgecore access point, then another 100 of the TIP certified access point. But could you let us know more? How many finally, such as devices, whatever, as I'm understanding, APs or switches, the ecCLOUD could deal with?
Okay. Yeah. So question. So first, I'd like to tell is our standard ecCLOUD solution. So the standard ecCLOUD solution, there is for free and also charged the account. So for free, a free account can manage up to 50 devices, 50 devices for free. Yeah, for free. So that's the free account. Of course, there's one cloud and 50 devices. Yeah, with the one cloud with 50 devices for free. And there is also the annual license. The annual license is $99 US. Yeah, 99 US per year. Yeah, per year. What includes? It includes 500 managed devices. Yeah, so with one charged account, we can manage up to 500 devices per cloud.
So we are paying like a $99 for 500 devices. It is almost like for nothing, I would say. Yeah. So.
Yeah, much more than that. It's even more because it's just per cloud. And we allow the charged account the same, $99 US. The same, this charge account to manage up to 500 clouds. 500 clouds.
Okay, so depends on the. Got you. So depends on the topology or requirements. We can have up to 500 devices under one cloud or under one site, and then up to 500 of those.
Yeah. So it's a 500 multiple by 500. So it's almost unlimited. It's almost unlimited. So it's the annual license fee is just $99 US. Yeah. So that's our standard solution. And as I just mentioned in the slides, that we can do the combination. So you still have your one account, but with this one account you can manage the standard devices, the Edgecore standard devices, AP or switches. And then, the TIP SKU. The TIP SKU. Maybe it's Edgecore brand, and maybe it's the third-party brands. So altogether, if it's a charged account, altogether you can manage up to 500 devices per cloud and up to 500 clouds. So.
And is there anything above? So is there anything above? Like so the first we have like up to 50. For free. Then we have 99 per year with the 500, let's say, and up to 500 sites. And how about something above when someone is reaching some limits or need a customization or?
Yeah, if in this case, if one customer they need more than 250,000 AP. They have more than 250 devices to manage. Yeah, in this case, yeah, we don't have above account or higher level, but it can purchase and it can register or sign up a new account. Yeah, to have two charged accounts to manage double. Yeah, so that's the case.
Got
yeah,
you.
So, yeah.
Got
you.
You,
Of course, we also have a private cloud. Yeah, private cloud that allow to the end customer to manage. Yeah, much more than that. Yeah, but it's a private cloud. Yeah, so it's an independent partition. Yeah, we open an independent partition in the cloud and then provide to the customers who want their own private. Yeah, their own private with their own interface with their own logos on the cloud management interface. So we have we call it private cloud, yeah, in the ecCLOUD.
Okay, and this is something that it is more, let's say, like a case by case, business by business, or this is also something that we can share.
It's
what
also,
is the
actually,
I don't know. Something.
It's already a ready solution. So it's a 500. It's a 500 US dollars per year. Yeah. So this is another type of license. Yes.
And there was a question. I also I noticed that you mentioned it about the switches. So how that is looking from the OpenWiFi perspective today on the portfolio of the APs, we saw some indoor, outdoor, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6 access points. But how about the switching part? Under the focus of the OpenWiFi and the tip, is there something that on what you are working, guys?
Yes, actually, we do have two. Yeah, there will be two models that supporting tip. Yeah, two switches, PoE switches that will support. Actually, at the beginning, that's because we are, as I said, Edgecore is quite active in tip. And we are engaged in this community, and also we know that from the market there's needs because since we have AP and to power up all this AP, most of the case we use PoE switches. Yeah, so why not to manage the PoE the access point and the PoE switches all together, and they are open. Yeah, both of them are open. So the software companies, the software partners, or the end customers with the software capabilities, they can just manage or they can just develop the solution to manage their own the Edgecore AP and Edgecore switches. So that's in our plan indeed. Yeah, so we have two models. Yeah, so we have more information. Yeah, the first one that will be the existing. We are selecting one existing model to be certified. And the next, is a totally new one, to support 2.5 giga ports. Yeah, 2.5 giga ports.
Okay, with the multi-gig.
Yes.
Okay. You also mentioned on one slide about the new product called AIP 104, like if I am understanding, that is a little bit bigger solution for maybe some hospitality for the hotels. It is like a combination of the access point and the switch. Am I correct?
Yeah, we can say that. Yeah, so for because this is really a demand from the hospitality and MDU industry. So we build this new AP platform. Catering to exactly catering to their needs. Yeah, because in the hotel guest room, they need LAN ports. Yeah, at least 3 or 4 LAN ports. Yeah, and then they need PoE out to support IP devices like IP gaming or IP phone. And also because it's a wall plate and behind the AP, they need the two ports. One port is uplink port, and another port is the RJ45 port. Yeah, so both ports are important. RJ45 because the installers might install the AP on the wall and then just cover the box, the RJ45 box. So in this case, you need this pass through. Yeah, you need these pass through ports. So so also, besides the next to the four LAN port, there is PoE out port and also the RJ45 pass-through port. So this is a new model, and also not all of the installers or the use case, they use the wall plate. So we have also considered the mounting, different mounting, like a wall mount, the standard wall mount. So there will be the wall mount bracket, and also we'll provide also have the optional desktop bracket, So depending on different use case, that we have a different mounting kit.
Do you know? Do you have any competitors with that design currently, or how do you see the market?
This model actually the biggest competitor is from Ruckus. It's from Ruckus. Ruckus is quite quite active in hospitality, to be honest. And so all the time when we have a tender or in hospitality, we face the competition from Ruckus. They also have similar hardware. They call H550. H550. So so you can see maybe the outlook looks similar. And also the LAN port also with 4 LAN ports, uplink port like this. But it's even more powerful, and especially it's a cost-effective. It's a cost-effective solution, and very different from Ruckus one. It's ours, Edgecore, we provide a non-lockup system. It's a non-lockup system. It's open. It support open. If you want to use the Edgecore standard controller-based, it's possible. If you want, in this case, it's they want to use the cloud management, it's also possible. If the end customer is a large operator, through large operator to the hotel chain, large hotel chain group. So in this case, they won't need open solution and then use their own cloud. So we have the advantage over our competitors.
Oh, absolutely. The last question, maybe having in mind the time. How about any reference? This is something that, we've been working in the past, so I am aware about a lot of different reference, but more based on the traditional part of the Edgecore wireless portfolio. But how do you see the progress and the deployments related with the open Wi-Fi today? Not only maybe in Europe, I know that you have the visibility also to the other areas. So it's pretty new. It started maybe 2 more years ago, but it will require a time to be where it is today. It's slowly to be, I would say, like more than production ready. We see more hardware options. We see more software options. We see that flexibility coming from the team. There is a really decent documentation how you can try to do your own porting and integration. So, but speaking about some real use cases, can you just share something from your experience?
Okay, So to be honest, that the tip open Wi-Fi has been started from 2019, early 2018, and since that we started the tip start to work with to recruit and start to work with a lot of operators and the software companies and also the vendors manufacturer like Edgecore, and then I think I can totally see the progress, especially from 2019 to 2020, and even now to 2022. Nowadays, we see that many projects. We have the POC projects that or integration projects started in 2020, and many of them are with large operators and also the large WIC. A lot of especially operators. They actually before we release this the hardware or they have already worked together to see how they can boost this open solution. So many operators, they have already approved their solution, and also we have, as I put in our slide, we have some software partners like Nexperience, yeah, that they have their own cloud solution, and in the meantime, we have a lot of several other software partners, yeah, that we are working on the project together. Yeah, so we can say that at the end, the system integrators or the channel partners or the software companies, you can just approach me or you can just contact me, yeah, to work on projects specific together. Yeah, if it's a potential and it's we can introduce, yeah, if it's a potential, we can do this together directly. And if it's for maybe, yeah, at the beginning, maybe it's 100 or 500, and there you need a lot customization. So in this case, we can introduce a suitable software partners to you, and then you can, yeah, you can pass your request, your feature request to the software company, to software partners, and then they can build some software for this case, yeah, for this case. So there will be the reference case, yeah, definitely this year, yeah, because we are already forecasting, yeah, we are manufacturer also, yeah, so we've already received the forecast, yeah, from North America and from APAC, yeah, APAC region, and also from Europe, yeah, we need. They are forecasting, yeah, that's okay in Q2, Q3 and Q4 this year, yeah, there might be the deployment. We can see we need to deliver all of this AP, yeah, to this project, yeah.
So maybe we're just starting here in Europe, but we also see that the demand which is coming. Yeah. So we've been just trying to also secure some maybe stock to start. I believe that we are on the way to receive the first 1,000 of the devices. Yeah, like the one which you've been mentioning, primarily the Wi-Fi 6. This is the focus. So yes, it's really exciting. So Aaron, really appreciate for your time. I know that it will be our maybe this is our first time, but definitely not the last time. I would like to go deeper, and we know that first there is a lot of excitement coming from the hardware piece, but also we can start with more, let's say, extra software options, because in the end of the day, this is the beauty of the disaggregation, open networking. We know that well from the switch part. Yeah, exactly. You can choose the hardware vendor, you can choose the software partner, you can mix the hardware vendors as well. I know that this is maybe not exactly what you would like to hear, but this is that freedom. So I'm really excited to looking forward. Once again, thank you for your time. To also all of who've been watching us, thank you for the time as well. There is a really good and growing open community at the Edgecore website. So please feel free to go to our own website. There is a forum, there is a community. I saw that the people are really active. Feel free to join us, to join that forum, also to reach out directly to Aaron or to myself. We are always more than welcome to help.